Hi, Dr. Candido. Welcome to the final presentation of the Non-Toxic Avengers. We will be presenting our project in the form of several Jing videos. Please click from one video to the next to view our entire presentation. First, the introduction. Throughout our Education 525 course, we've been learning and exploring a model for creating multimedia projects. This model is called the DDDE model with 4 sections, standing for Decide, Design, Develop, and Evaluate. Both we, the students in Education 525, and our fictional students in our 7th grade science class will be using this DDDE model to create and design the project. In the first phase, Decide, the non-toxic Avengers decided on group roles, such as a group leader, production specialist, and research expert. We then decided the grade level, subject area, and specifically the topic of the multimedia project that we want our fictional students to present on. We decided to divide our students into 6 groups, and each group will be assigned one of the 6 main biomes on Earth. We then decided the standards we would need to address from the Pennsylvania Department of Education website. We then decided the medium for which we want our students to use for their project, which is a PowerPoint. As I mentioned, our students will also be using the Decide phase of the DDDE model. They will first need to decide group roles amongst themselves and decide what roles they will use to conduct research on their biome. In the second design phase, the non-toxic Avengers designed our web quest, as you see here. This web quest is the medium for our final project. We designed the web quest into 6 main pages, as you can see, each describing the task at hand to our fictional students. Our students will be using the design phase by designing a flowchart for their PowerPoint presentation. How will they lay out all their information, images, and other multimedia on biomes? They will need to write a storyboard before actually creating the presentation itself. Next, during the final D phase, Develop, the non-toxic Avengers developed the presentation part of the project for our 7th graders. We developed required points and guidelines that we want our students to include in their PowerPoints, as well as guidelines for their oral presentation. Our 7th graders will actually develop the PowerPoint presentation using data, photos, and multimedia during the Develop phase. Finally, for the Evaluate phase, the non-toxic Avengers have both evaluated ourselves and fellow group members throughout the duration of the project in the form of 2 progress reports, as well as the final peer assignment. And as for our students, they will be evaluating themselves in multiple ways as delineated by 2 rubrics, as you can see here, and an online evaluation. Now, to go into depth to our presentation, please click on our Decide Jing video. We hope you will enjoy our presentation.